Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Fahad Mirza, and in this video I am going to show you a simple yet quite useful tool which you can use to talk with multiple models almost at the same time. This library or a framework in Python enables you to specify multiple models from Ollama, from OpenAI, Anthropic, and few others, and then you can loop through those models and then you can give the prompts to them. It is still a terminal based tool. We don't have any graphical user interface with it, but I think shouldn't take too much to install it with Gradio. In this video, we are going to install this tool which is called as aiSuite locally, and then I will show you how you can integrate and use it with Ollama. This tool is a unified interface to multiple generative AI providers. This makes it quite easy for developers to use multiple LLMs through a standardized interface. So using an interface similar to OpenAI's API, this AI suite makes it easy to interact with the most popular LLMs, and then you can even compare the results. I think that is the most common use case which I can foresee, where you will have only one prompt and you want to send it across to multiple LLM providers including the local Ollama ones, and then you can not only compare the response but also you can compare a lot of other metadata like latency and then number of tokens used and all that stuff. And if you remember, just today we covered another tool called as observers from Hugging Face for observability, so you can combine it with that tool and then you can get more observability and instrumentation around it. It is a thin wrapper, this AI suite, which is wrapped around Python client libraries, and it allows you to seamlessly swap out and test responses from different LLM providers without changing the code. And this library is only focused on chat completion at the moment. Maybe in the future they are going to expand it for other use cases. So before I move forward, let me give a huge shout out to AgentQL, who are the sponsors of this video. AgentQL is a query language for extracting data from web pages quickly, easily, and at scale. AgentQL is a robust alternative to fragile XPath and DOM CSS selectors, as it uses the power of AI to analyze the page structure, and it can turn any web page into a data source. And I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Okay, so now we know what this AI suite is. Let's go and try to get it installed. I am running this Ubuntu 22.04. Let me clear the screen, and we are going to first create a virtual environment with Conda. And now let's install a couple of prerequisites like Ollama and OpenAI packages, and then towards the end AI suite with all the providers. You can just provide OpenAI or Anthropic if you just want to use those providers, but I really like to do all of it. Let's wait for it, and that is all done. Now, because I will be using it with simply Ollama, so I don't need any API, but because it uses OpenAI as a compatible API, so we just need to set this OpenAI's API key with any placeholder. I normally go with Ollama, and then once that's done, we can simply go and launch our Python interpreter and talk with it. But before that, let me also show you how you can use it with Ollama. If you don't know what Ollama is, Ollama is one of the easiest and fastest way of running large language models locally. I already have done more than 6 to 700 videos on Ollama in the last 1 year or more than 1 year. So feel free to check it out. Installation is fairly simple. You just go to ollama.com and then from here click on download. For Linux, you just run this command. For Windows, you just go with any exe. I already have downloaded it. And then for example, you want to select the model. I'm just going to go with this Llama 3.2, and you can simply grab this command or pull command and then go here. If I do Ollama list here, you will see that I don't have Llama 3.2, so I'm just going to do Ollama pull Llama 3.2. Pull just downloads the model and then it verifies the checksum. And you can see it's a very small model, just 2 gig of size. If you do Ollama run Llama 3.2, it also gives you the prompt to talk with the model, but we just want the model to be served here on our local system. and you can see that it has not only downloaded it, but it is now verifying the checksum to make sure everything is all right. So this is all done. If I now do Ollama list, there you go. So we have our Ollama model. Now we can talk with this model with the help of this AI suite. So now let me launch my Python interpreter. I'm going to import the AI suite library, and then I will initialize the client, something like this. That is done. Let's specify our Llama 3.2 provider. That is done. And now we can talk with our model. So you see, because this is the model which we have downloaded, if you have any other model, just replace this Llama 3.2 with it. And this is the prompt which I want to give it, like respond in funny English, tell me a joke, or whatever you like. And then we can loop through the array of providers, because it's a list or array, so you can go with any. So it is, if you look closely what it is doing here, it is looping through this here, and then it is calling this very familiar chat completion API from OpenAI, because it is OpenAI compatible. This is our Llama 3.2 model, this is our prompt, and then this is the temperature which determines the randomness of the response. The value is between 0 and 1. Closer to 1 means more creative, whereas closer to 0 means more deterministic or fixed. So it is quite high value. So you see, it has given us the joke here. Why did the scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. Okay, yep, get it. So, but the main thing is that this is quite good. Now, if you want more provider, all you need to do is to just give it here. Like instead of Ollama, you can just say Anthropic, and then I believe there are a lot of other providers too which it supports, including Azure, Google, AWS, Grok, Mistral, Hugging Face, and of course the Ollama which we just have tried out. And just to show you the multiple models, as you can see in the next one, I have given it two models. One is with Ollama and the other one is with Grok. And of course, I have set my Grok underscore API underscore key in the environment variable, or you can just set it in the .env file. And then I'm passing the same prompt and I'm saying respond in Australian English, tell me a joke. And then it is looping through the models, and there you go. So it has given us two jokes here. Of course, you can set here model by model, you can print it, you can prefix it with a model name to make it more um, easy to read, but you get the point. We can include as many models as we want, and we can compare the responses, and we can also compare a lot of other matrices if we enable observability. So simple tool, but I believe quite a useful tool. I will drop the link to it in video description. Play around with it and let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.